All right, guys, day 3. Shower wall tile begins. Very large, 2 foot by 4 foot, hard, 1/2 inch thick porcelain. Carrera look. So we got a lot accomplished in a quick 2 days. Floor tile is installed. We've covered it to protect it. We installed our drywall. Of course, we have to tape and mud. We're going to texture spray this entire bathroom, but the shower is ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Installing this large 4 foot tiles. We're gonna do it at a straight pattern, horizontally, with the tiles ending at the bottom of the niche. It's gonna look clean, beautiful, trimming it out with Schluter Jolly Matte White. So we got a lot of work. We're gonna set up the D36000. We have our Sigma Series 4 tile cutter for this large, thick, hard porcelain. So let's get to work. Here we go. All right, so we're working with these very large, heavy, 1/2 inch porcelain tiles. Our arm for the Sigma is definitely not strong enough to hold it up. That's why we love this Atlas by Monolith. Adjustable to support the tile. Just like that. Big boy tiles going up right now. We are saving the cutoffs so that we have a nice clean wrap to wrap the veins and the movement, and of course one full tile right below this niche here. Same with this side, wrapping it also. So let's keep going up to the window. We have 2 notch cuts, not a big deal. We have the D36000 for those cuts. Guys, good morning. It is Monday. We are working on the side walls of this shower. We are doing a wrap. Like I said before, what we like to do is keep the cutoffs. This tile and this tile are the same tiles. This is the cutoff. We want to wrap so the veins and the movement flow from the back wall to the side wall. You simply mark it like this, L2, left wall, second tile. Let's install. We are moving right along. Everything is connecting as we want it to. Wrapping the walls. We're gonna finish this wainscot all the way to the door jamb. Finish the right side, finish the left side. We need to pick up some 1/2" Jolly trim for this niche as well as windows so that we can knock out the niche and knock out the window. This shower will be complete today other than grout, and then we will finalize our drywall. Tape, mud, sand, prepare for our texture match, and then of course we have a toilet and vanity that goes in tomorrow. Today is the last day of this full bathroom remodel. What we're doing today is super simple. Easy grout day.